Traveling to a new country is exciting, but before you dream of beaches and landmarks, you need your travel documents. They're like keys that unlock the world for you. Without them, you can't board a plane or enter a foreign country. Imagine arriving at the airport ready for an adventure, only to realize you forgot your passport. That's why having your travel documents in order is important. They prove your identity and allow you to legally enter and travel within another country. Think of it like visiting a friend's house. You need an invitation, visa, your ID, passport, and maybe directions, tickets. Travel documents are your travel essentials. Without them, your trip might be over before it even starts. That's why it's crucial to understand and organize these important papers before you even pack your bags. First, you need a passport. It is an official document issued by your home country. It shows your identity and nationality to officials in other countries. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months after your planned return date. Next, you might need a visa. A visa is permission from a foreign country for you to enter and stay for a specific period. Not every country requires a visa, so it's important to check the specific requirements for your destination. You'll also need your flight tickets. These confirm your travel dates and route. Nowadays, you can often use electronic tickets on your phone or printed copies. Finally, don't forget travel insurance information. While not always mandatory, it's highly recommended. It can protect you against unexpected events like medical emergencies or lost luggage. Now that you know what documents you need, let's talk about keeping them safe. The most important rule is to make copies. Make photocopies of all your important documents. Keep one set of copies separate from the originals. You can leave these copies with a trusted family member or friend back home. In case of loss or theft, having copies can be a lifesaver. Consider using a travel wallet or organizer to keep all your documents together. This will help you stay organized and prevent misplacing anything important. When you're out and about, be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Keep your travel documents close to your body and be aware of your surroundings. Losing your passport or other travel documents can be stressful, but don't panic. The first step is to report the loss or theft to the local police immediately. Then, contact your embassy or consulate. They can help you with the necessary steps to replace your passport or obtain emergency travel documents. Remember those copies you made? This is where they come in handy. Having copies will expedite the replacement process. Travel insurance can also be helpful in this situation. It can cover expenses related to document replacement and any travel disruptions caused by the loss. Be prepared, stay organized, and enjoy your trip with peace of mind. Safe travels.